What's up guys, Lucid Daily here, and man, today was absolutely a crazy day, especially going over Lucid's earnings, and I've been waiting all day for the Lucid transcript to finally come out where we can read line by line exactly what happened on the earnings call, because I learned a ton of information that way. Like, it literally just came out a couple of minutes ago, so what I'm going to do is tomorrow afternoon, after I get off work, I'm going to go through it line by line and figure out everything that we need to know, things that were really good, things that were kind of bad, and we're going to go through it all together. So plan on that tomorrow afternoon. Today, we're just going to do a very, very brief, quick overview of kind of the headline numbers of Lucid's earnings. So Lucid had a total of 360 deliveries. This is a lot lower than I was expecting. Well, wanting. I don't know. I was wanting, I think I said 450. It was 360, so a little bit below where I wanted it. And then obviously I wanted it a lot higher, but oh well. Revenue was 57.7 million. I believe this was a little bit higher than expected. You then had 12 to 14,000 deliveries. That was re-indicated. That was probably one of the biggest surprises that I've seen so far in this earnings call, is the fact that Lucid reiterated that we are going to continue to hit that 12 to 14,000 number. That was something that I think a lot of people were expecting to be revised down. I even ran a poll on my Twitter page because I was like, is Lucid going to revise down or what's going on? So that was super surprising to me that they kept that. Next, they had 30,000 reservations they had 30,000 reservations total. So I believe that's a little bit, I don't know. I want to go into my expectations. I want to do a full spreadsheet, full analysis of the whole earnings call. I just didn't want to leave you guys hanging tonight. Overall, I think Lucid does not sound like they did any worse than what people were expecting. I think it was pretty much in line with expectations. It could have gone a lot worse, I think, but I think everybody has, even long-term investors that were once like, I don't want to say like, I think that the short-term expectations have become a lot more realistic to a lot more investors. And so this earnings call there wasn't any major surprises. That's kind of what I want to say. So that was good. If anything, I think they beat on their revenue, which is a little bit of a surprise. And something that I did call. I called this. I've been calling it for a couple of weeks. They raised prices on their cars. So their Grand Touring is going from 139 to 154. Their Air Touring is going from 95 to 107. And their Air Pure is going from 77.4K to 87.4K. So that's almost a $10,000 jump. Wow. So that eventually will help. I mean, obviously they have to respond to inflation, but 30,000 reservations, they have time, and I think you have until June 1st. So overall, they have $5.4 billion in cash. Tomorrow, I'm going to do like a full analysis, full breakdown on earnings call, numbers, everything like that. Love working with spreadsheets, love reading earnings transcripts. We're going to learn a lot tomorrow afternoon. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like always, have a great rest of your evening. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.